Many people are turning to rolling with a stone roller, particularly rose quartz, for anti-aging. We're going to talk about what it does and why it's the craze next. Hey there and welcome. I'm your Real Chick Carla and this is Real Chicks TV, your home for all things beauty, makeup, skincare, lifestyle, fashion, and all things girly for the woman over 40. If that sounds like you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Bare naked face alert. Yes, I have on absolutely no makeup. I have on a little bit of lip gloss and that is it. Completely bare naked face. And I'm going to use some facial oil in just a second because we are talking about facial rolling. You hear a lot of people talk about it, but you don't often hear about the benefits and why maybe to consider facial rolling and the difference between the different types of stone rollers. And I'm going to share that with you today, particularly talking about rose quartz rolling. I received this rose quartz and gua sha tool set from the company. I'm not sure if it's Luximia or Luximia. I've heard it pronounced both ways, but I will have a link to it down below in the description box. So be sure to check out the link. And always check out the description box because I always have links to products that I've used, but I also always have discount codes and ways for you to save money. So always check out the description box. This will be in the description box as well. It's a beautiful set. It comes beautifully packaged. When you open it up, it's a magnetic box. And inside, you have two pieces. You have the rose quartz roller and you have the gua sha tool. And it's very unusual to receive both of them together. So for the price, it is a great bargain. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the rose quartz roller. And in a separate video, I will show you how to use the gua sha tool. Everything you need comes in this one box, your two tools. It also comes with a nice little burlap type carrying case, a thank you note, which is nice, and a complete brochure on how to use both the gua sha tool and the roller. We're going to concentrate on how to use the roller today. Now, there are some things that you want to look for that this set fulfills when you are looking for a rose quartz roller, or any roller for that matter. You want to make sure that it's genuine stone. And this one is. It has the beautiful rose quartz stone on both ends. You have a smaller end and a larger end. It has the brass hardware. And you don't want to use a plastic roller or one that has plastic hardware. You want something that's sturdy. Rose quartz is known for holding up very, very well anyway. So get the real thing so that you're guaranteed to have a better product. Now, there is a list of instant and long-term benefits of using a facial roller, particularly rose quartz. The movement of the roller helps in tightening and toning the facial muscles. It improves your product absorption when you're using your skincare regimen, your skincare products. It helps them absorb into your skin better. It promotes lymphatic drainage, and that helps address puffiness, particularly those bags under your eyes. It also addresses wrinkles. And when you're doing the rolling, it increases circulation through stimulating the skin. It helps contour the facial structure, and it can help tighten the pores because the naturally cold stone helps promote that. Now, jade rolling tends to be all the rage, but the big question is, what is the difference between a jade roller and a rose quartz roller? There are some significant differences. Both promote many of the same things, but a lot of people believe that a rose quartz roller is more beneficial. So what does a rose quartz roller have over a jade roller? Rose quartz is believed to have more inherent minerals in it, and it is believed that the skin can actually borrow from and benefit from those minerals when rolling. Rose quartz stays cool, whereas a jade stone tends to get warm on your skin. The rose quartz is going to stay cool to the touch. You can refrigerate it, but you don't have to because it comes straight out of the box, already nice and cool. Rose quartz is believed to have more wrinkle reducing benefits. And because jade is more of a soft stone, it's softer than the rose quartz is, it can be more susceptible to wear and tear. And again, you want something that's going to hold up. You're not using really hard pressure with this, but you want something that's going to hold up, particularly when you're investing in a good one. So when you're using a rose quartz roller as part of your skincare routine, you want to go ahead and apply all of your topical creams, serums, that type of thing. So you've got all your skincare applied. And if you use a facial oil as part of your skincare, this is the perfect time to use that oil. I'm using grapeseed oil today. If you don't use facial oils, use your most moisturizing cream or serum at the very, very end, your thickest, one that's going to give you a nice smooth roll when you use the roller. You want it to glide nicely across the face. No tension, no tugging, no pulling. So let's get a little bit of the grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, I will link this down below for you. Just need a few drops, rub it in your hand, warm it up a little bit, and just kind of press it into the skin. It is known for having wonderful benefits for the skin. It's a very healing oil and anti-aging oil, even helps with acne. It's just a beautiful product all the way around. So I've got that into my skin, always pushing up, using upward motions because we don't want anything sagging. And we're also going to use upward motions when we use the roller. Now, the great thing about this set is that it comes with a complete list of instructions for you. So we're going to follow these instructions. There is no perfect way to do this, but there are some guidelines on how to do this. And it's more than just rubbing the roller up and down and up and down and up and down, although you can do that with a mask. If you're using a facial mask, a sheet mask, you can use it and always push up to push the serum into your skin. But if you're using it for anti-aging circulation and for anti-aging muscle relaxation and for lymphatic drainage, there are some particular movements that we want to follow. So let's begin. So we're going to start with our forehead, and we're going to do it in 3 sections. The top, near your hairline, the middle, and down here by the brow bone where those 11s are. So you're going to start at the top, and you're going to roll 3 to 6 times over toward your temple. So you're always rolling out and up, out and up. So just roll it 3 to 6 times out toward your temple. If you have forehead lines, you're going to want to make sure that you go all the way over to where those forehead lines begin in the center and roll it out. Now come down to the center of your forehead and roll it out and up, 3 to 6 times. Now coming down to where your 11s are, right in between your eyebrows, you're going to roll out and up, out toward your temple, 3 to 6 times. Then you repeat that on the other side. Now for the forehead, we use the larger end of the roller. We're now going to move down the face to the eye area, and we're going to use the smaller end of the roller. Starting here right on the brow bone, right around the eyebrow, we're going to roll 3 to 6 times, again going up and toward the temple. Now I'm moving it down right here to the crow's feet area, out and toward the temple, 3 to 6 times. And when you're doing this without me having the instructions, it goes very quickly. This only adds just a couple of extra minutes to your skincare routine, and the benefits are amazing. Now we're going to come down to underneath the eyes, and this is where I have noticed the biggest difference. You're going to start in the inner corner, and you're going to roll it up and out toward the temple, up and out toward the temple, again 3 to 6 times. For me, this has really helped address a look of sunkenness. I had some serious tear troughs going on under here. I had a lot of bags and puffiness, and this really helps address it, not only long term, but instantly, because you're draining that lymphatic system. Now we're going to go back to the larger end of the roller, and we're going to work on our cheek area and our lip area. And that is also going to address these lines and these folds right in here. So we're going to start in the middle of our lip, right above the Cupid's bow, and we're going to roll it out and up. Everything is out and up. This time we're going toward the top of the ear, right there. And again, we're going to do it 3 to 6 times. And I'm using a medium pressure. I'm not pushing too hard at all. Now we're going to go to the corner of the mouth, and the same thing, up, up, up. And this time I'm going toward the center of my ear. And now I'm going to come down to my chin, and I'm going to go right along the jawline and up toward my earlobe and toward the center of my ear. So we're just going to take that up all along the bottom of the jaw. Again, 3 to 6 times. And everything that we've done on this side, we're going to repeat on the other side. Now we want to address contouring and that double chin area. So we're going to come down here to the chin. We're going to start in the middle. We're still using the larger side of the roller, and we're going to take it straight up. And this time we're going toward the center of the eye. Straight up. 3 to 6 times again. Everything is 3 to 6 times. Now I'm starting down here right below the jaw itself, and I'm taking it straight up, and this time I'm taking it toward my outer eye, toward the crow's feet area. And now I'm going here to the back of the jaw, and I'm pulling it straight up toward my ear. Not only is this very beneficial for anti-aging, it's extremely relaxing and really helps release tension in your jaw area. And that's the whole premise behind it, that you're releasing those tense muscles, and that's helping to release the wrinkles. I also use it on my double chin area, again using those same 3 to 6 strokes. I bring it up and give it a little bit of a flick when I bring it up. And I have noticed a pretty significant difference in my jawline and in my double chin since doing this. And just work it all the way around the jawline. Anywhere you have trouble areas, because we're looking to contour and tone and tighten. Again, lifting up. Now, the only time that you would ever want to go in a downward motion, if you choose to do this, some people don't want to ever use a downward motion, and some decide to use it for lymphatic drainage. You're going to use the lightest touch possible. And what is lymphatic drainage? Okay, so you've got fluid that is in your face, and that's what's causing puffiness and that kind of thing. So we've now moved that stagnant fluid around, and it has to go somewhere, so we want it to drain through the lymphatic system. So now that you've got that fluid moving, particularly around your eye area, the premise and the theory behind it is that you want to move it down so that it goes out through the lymphatic system. So if you decide to do lymphatic drainage using the lightest pressure possible, just barely feather light, just barely take it down your neck so that you're not actually pushing the skin, that you're just moving the fluid. And you're going to take it down towards your collarbone, down towards your clavicle. And those are the basics of how to use a facial roller. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got something out of it, learned a few things. Tell me in the comment section below, do you use a facial roller? What kind of benefits are you seeing? Do you like it? And what type do you use? A rose quartz or a jade? I do highly recommend this particular rose quartz roller. I do thank the company very much for sending it to me to try. This is an excellent one. I have looked at some others. They were a very cheap quality, had a very cheap feel. I've been using this consistently for quite a while now, and it is holding up very well. And I do like the way that it not only feels on my face, but I like the way it performs and what it does to my face as well. So I will have this one linked in the description box for you down below. So go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you never miss any of my upcoming anti-aging videos, because I am going to very soon be doing one on the gua sha tool for you, and how you can use this for anti-aging, and how many consider it even better than the roller. We'll talk about that in an upcoming video, so be sure that you're notified so that you don't miss it. I'm Carla with Real Chicks TV. I thank you so much for joining me today. It always makes my day that much more special when you're a part of it and when you keep me company. So until next time, keep your head, heels, and standards high. Much love to you. Bye-bye.